Research studies can help shape a healthier future, and there are several clinical trials happening right now that are looking for patients. Dr. Joseph Gimbel with Arizona Research Center is here with all the details. It is great to have you here, Dr. Gimbel.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
So I have two young kids, and a song that we sing all the time is head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. And you actually have studies in every single one of those areas.
Well, instead of head, it would be back pain, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Okay, all right, well, that's close.
Well, we sang that to my kids 2 years ago. Anyway, yes, but we're doing trials in just about everything, and this is such a great way for patients to be evaluated, treated, and especially there's so many patients today that can't afford medical care, and we spend a lot of time with them, and all their treatment is free, and all their evaluation is free, and the medication's free, and we actually pay them when they come to the office to participate in our programs.
Which is I mean, that's a really great opportunity.
Oh, it really is.
Stem cells, I hear a lot of people talk about them. Tell me about your studies with stem cells and how your studies are actually maybe a safer way for people to get treated with stem cells.
Well, no, if you go on the FDA website, you'll really learn a lot about stem cells, and they're not what they're thought to be. And I'm going to read off the FDA's website. It says, stem cells have been called everything from cure-alls to miracle treatments, but don't believe the hype. I can't believe the FDA actually used that word on their website. It said some unscrupulous providers offer stem cell products that are both unproved and unproven. And there are a lot of reactions with stem cells. You can have reactions at the site where they're given, and you have no control over what the stem cell will do. Some of them can multiply into other types of cells, and several patients have developed tumors with stem cells.
Wow.
So you really have to be careful. And you should only use a stem cell that's been FDA approved.
Okay.
And we are one of the few trials right now that is FDA approved, and we're doing this for shoulder tendonitis or rotator cuff tears.
Sure.
And we're seeing improvement in pain and healing and some of the tendons that have been torn.
Wow. And of the many trials that you are doing, you have several knee arthritis trials. Is that correct?
Oh, God, yeah, we have. We probably do more knee arthritis than anything. We have, 5 to 10 trials that are knee arthritis. We talk about stem cells. You have stem cells in your body. This one trial takes the stem cell that's in your knee. We're not injecting it. And stem cells can turn into chondrocytes, which make cartilage, or osteoblasts that makes bone. This directs the stem cell to make cartilage, and it's reparative, and we see formation of new cartilage, and patients have less pain. We also have a study where we're injecting a product made from chili peppers.
Wow.
It's called capsaicin. And we're seeing patients are getting 6 to 12 months worth of pain relief.
And you're starting a new bunion study soon, too.
Well, we're starting a tummy tuck next month, and then 2 months to follow, we'll do a bunion study as well. And the patients get their surgery for free, and we pay them an average of about $500, and that's for their time and their travel. And they get their follow-up, and everything is at no cost to them.
And Dr. Gimbel, you have so many different trials. I don't know how you keep track of all of them, but we're seeing a list of the many that people can get involved in and people can actually take part in.
That is correct.
At no cost.
No cost. PRP. We're actually doing a PRP product. We're working with companies all over Europe. This one's out of Italy, and this combines PRP and a drug called hyaluronic acid, and we're getting much better responses and much better results than you're seeing with strictly a PRP product.
Thank you so much, Dr. Gimbel. It's always fascinating when you are here. It's good to know what your options are. So if you want more details, just visit azresearchcenter.com, or you can call the number you see right there on your screen.